Teaching, always been passionate and I loved teaching. Teaching, I think, gives you a lot of joy and personal satisfaction. There's a lot of things in teaching that attracts everybody, and one of the things that I really like and enjoy is having that interaction with young minds and having that cultural diversity of students, different people from different parts of the world, and that eager minds which are trying to understand what the world is going to be, and me coming and tapping that and sharing that knowledge with them is always positive and encouraging.
One of the things that I love about Kaplan is that it is more affordable than other institutions, but you still have the same teachers that you have in those big name universities.
I've really loved all of my KBS lecturers and updating them with my progress, so it's been wonderful to actually build that ongoing career and professional connection with them and have their respect as a colleague, not just as a student.
A very quick overview of my expertise. I graduated from the University of Sydney with a law qualification. I then went to the College of Law to get my practical legal training. And I also have an MBA from Kaplan Business School. I'm an alumnus of KBS, just as you will soon be. In terms of previous employers, I tended to work mostly for financial services organisations,